Okay, so I have some question that is related to Quran. I have question about the beard. So can you do you know anything about beard that is talk about in Quran? I know the verse, the surah. I don't know the exact verse, but the surah is Surah Toha. Can you please explain it more details about the beard that is talk about in the Torah? Uh, Surah. Okay, thank you.
Certainly, Surah al Taha, which is the 20th chapter of the Quran, does not specifically mention the beard. The beard is a topic often discussed in Islamic teachings and traditions, but it's not explicitly mentioned in this surah. In Islamic tradition, the beard is often seen as a sunnah, tradition of the Prophet Muhammad, and many scholars recommend it as a practice for Muslim men. It is often linked to maintaining a distinct Muslim identity and following the example of the Prophet. However, interpretations and practices can vary among different Islamic communities. If you have more specific questions or need clarification on any other topic, feel free to let me know.
Okay, so I'm talking about Surah Toha, chapter 20, verse 94. It describes a moment between Prophet Musa and his brother Prophet Aaron, Harun. Okay, so I think in that verse that is talk about where is talk about the beard. Can you please explain it more details about this verse which I talk about? Thank you.
Sure. In Surah Taha, verse 94, Prophet Aaron, Harun, responds to Prophet Moses after Moses questions him about the incident with the Samiri and the golden calf. In this verse, Aaron explains that he was trying to prevent conflict and chaos among the people. The verse does not specifically mention the beard. It addresses Aaron's explanation and his efforts to maintain peace and order. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask.
Okay, let me explain what I mean by that. So this verse refers to an event where Prophet Moses returned after receiving the Torah to find that some of the Israelites had started worshipping a golden calf, and in his anger, Moses confronted his brother Aaron, who was left in charge of the people. Moses grabbed Aaron by his beard and head out of the frustration and questioning why he didn't prevent the idolatry. Aaron pleaded
Thank
with Moses not to blame him but harshly and explained that he had tried to guide the people but feared causing further division among them. So, can you please explain this more details?
Certainly. The incident in Surah Taha, chapter 20, verse 94, involves Prophet Moses, Musa, returning from Mount Sinai with the tablets of the Torah and finding that the Israelites had begun worshipping a golden calf. This event is significant because it represents a moment of crisis and disobedience among the people of Israel. When Moses confronts Aaron, thank you for clarifying. The incident in Surah Taha, chapter 20, verse 94, involves Prophet Moses, Musa, returning from Mount Sinai with the tablets of the Torah and finding that the Israelites had begun worshipping a golden calf. This event is significant because it represents a moment of crisis and disobedience among the people of Israel. When Moses confronts Aaron, Harun about the calf, he's visibly upset and questions him about his role in the incident. Aaron responds by explaining that he was trying to prevent further division and conflict among the people. He feared that strong opposition would lead to even greater disunity. Aaron's response highlights the challenges of leadership and the complexities of human behavior. This narrative emphasizes the importance of patience, understanding, and the difficulties that can arise when trying to lead and guide a community. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.
Okay, I have some question. Yeah, the same question. Where exactly talk about the beard in Hadith? Can you please give me some authentic Hadith where talk about the beard? Thank you.
Certainly. The beard is mentioned in various authentic hadiths. Here are a few. Sahih al-Bukhari. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Trim closely the mustache and let the beard grow." Sahih al-Bukhari, Hadith 5892. Sahih Muslim. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Cut the mustache and let the beard grow." Sahih Muslim, Hadith 2337. Sunan Abu Dawud. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Oppose the polytheists. Grow the beard and cut the mustache." Sunan Abu Dawud, Hadith 4192. These hadiths emphasize the practice of growing a beard as part of the sunnah, tradition of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.
Yeah, that's all the question I have. And thanks for your clarification about hadith and the Quran, Toha bars, Suratul Toha. Thanks all of this information. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help. If you have any more questions in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
Bye bye.
Goodbye. Take care. If you ever need anything, I'm here to help.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.